In this next topic, Tesla vehicles actually stink. And what I mean by stink, they actually smell. This is a pretty common issue. You might not have ran into it just yet because probably some of you are brand new buyers or haven't bought them yet. But basically, after about a year or two, they can certainly smell very, very, very quickly. So wanted to show you this quick video. I'm not going to show you the whole video, but I wanted to show you a video so you can find out where to take a look at, because there actually is a fix if you're looking to do some DIY after the fact for the Tesla Model 3 or Model Y, maybe even the S or X, but we're going to jump into it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. Shout out to SEV11. He sent me this video, which is actually titled, "This Design Flaw Makes Tesla Model 3 Smell Bad." It's a really good video. I just watched it in full. Definitely shout out to Adam Davenport for posting this. Definitely check it out if you're interested. But he goes to basically show you that the Tesla design has a big flaw in which water kind of leaks through and touches onto the filter, and then the filter gets stinky after a little bit. And so that's why a lot of people elect to change the filter after a year or two, but it's because there is a design flaw with it. So definitely check it out, and shout out to Adam for posting this video, and let me know what your thoughts on it if you are going to do this DIY yourself with your Tesla Model 3. But